Okay, today's little project is this is my steering column. Here's the steering shaft. This is where the steering wheel attaches. I want to shorten the steering column. It's about an inch too close to me, so I'm going to shorten it by 7 inches. And then I'm going to build a 6-inch adapter, so when you release the steering wheel, you have more room to get out of the car. Because the car is kind of difficult to get out of quickly. You know, if there's like an emergency or a fire, I want to be able to get out quick. So that's today's little project. So let's get to it. Okay, I just used the welder to weld up the steering shaft for the last time. It needs to be welded on. I did coat it with some paint, but the U-joints are welded. Paint's a little wet, so I'm going to be careful. But got my 2 U-joints there, and then this end splines to the rack. And I did not paint this for fear of overspray, but here's my adapter. So let me pause for a second and put the steering wheel on. There we go. So you can see the space between the steering wheel. So this quick connect would normally be up against the wheel. So now when I disconnect it, there's less of a shaft sticking out. So I'll be able to get in and out of the car a little easier. So hopefully I measured enough times and it'll fit. Let's go install it. Okay, check it out. Power steering rack. And the shaft, look how much space I have. Before, this shaft was hitting that manifold like by a lot. So plenty of room now. Show you inside. Door's gonna squeak. So yeah, I cut that back. Before it hung out, you know, super close to the seat. So now I have my steering wheel extension and everything works. So I guess that's it for this weekend. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Driveway party.